Hello, I'm Christopher Rockwell, the developer of Cooking Measurements Converter. This is the overview of the beta build and what all we got done this week. What you're seeing right now is my actual device because I'm dealing with iCloud and it's a lot easier to work with the device versus trying to get everything to work in the simulator, which is a lot slower as far as saving the data to iCloud. So what we have going on here is when the user first opens the application now, the beta build, they will see the tutorial here telling them to swipe, convert from, convert to, giving them a complete overview of what the application does and how it functions. So, not assuming that a user knows that this swipes or this is the from conversion and the to conversion. So we definitely want to educate our user. So they hit the got it right here and it just disappears. And if they ever want it, they hit the information icon here and then it'll pop right up just like that, so they can always bounce back and get it. The second thing we added was substitutions, as you can see here, and that's just common substitutions, on basic ingredients such as all-purpose flour, honey, eggs, and different things like that. So it's just basic stuff that people use a lot in recipes, giving them some substitutions. We have it in US/Imperial as well as metric. And the reason why the US/Imperial is because although their measurements are slightly different as far as the size of their teaspoon or their cup, they still use the same measurements. They still use cups, they still use teaspoons, tablespoons. It's just slightly different. So the US and the Imperial, they still can use the same units. And then your metric, they use the milliliters and the grams and stuff like that. So that's why I have everything combined like that. Then you have your saves here. Now let me bounce back over to the converter. This actually saves some things, so we can definitely get that going. So let's save a teaspoon, tablespoon, a cup, ounce, and a gallon. And then you hop over to your saves and you have all that data right here. So now, if you have options now to delete all the saves, restore from iCloud, or you can just cancel it all together. Now what I'll be doing to demonstrate this is actually deleting the app and then showing how you can actually get the data back in your iCloud. So let me go delete the app. Alright, and let me rerun it. Okay, go to my saves. As you can see here, I don't have any data. So let me restore from iCloud and all the data populates right there. So I'm getting all that data back from my iCloud, which I'm storing to as I save each conversion. So, and then you also have an option, instead of, as you can see here, I'm educating the user, swipe left to delete a single item. So you can definitely come in here and swipe left to delete, but to make it much more easier on the user, I also have an option for them to delete all the data at once, so they can delete all their saves. And then I definitely want to prompt them to make sure they want to do this, because if you delete everything, of course, it's just gone forever. So definitely want to prompt them and let them know, and they can just hit yes, and it just deletes everything all at once, so they can start over fresh. Those are the big things that I added this week. That's pretty much everything I covered. We'll have a successful beta build. And from here, we'll just be working out some kinks and getting it prepared for the gold release, and hopefully prepared for the market. So thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. You have a great day. Thank you.